Welcome back to channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Akriti.
And I'm Shaurya.
And Shaurya, what are we doing today?
So since Friendship's Day is right at the corner, we thought of doing a Friendship's Day special video for you guys. And since we know each other since the past 7-8 years now, we thought that we'll ask each other some questions and see how well we know each other.
So we have a list of questions, all common questions, and she's going to start asking them and we both are going to answer. And let's find out who wins this game.
And do you want to tell them something?
Oh yes, so ever since the time I've gotten married, I've been staying with her, hanging out with her, doing everything with her. So I just thought I should just get engaged to her now, right?
We're officially engaged.
So these are our gifts to
Yes.
each other this Friendship's Day.
So we got these 2 rings with an infinity sign on it made, and we got this made from a regular jeweler. These are silver rings with Swarovski crystals on it, and you can also see that our names are also engraved on it. So yeah, so we specially got them made so that we could wear it all throughout and probably have them in our fingers even till we grow old and we have like grandchildren with us and all of that. So yeah, that's the aim.
So let's jump into the video and start asking the questions.
So the first question that we have is, if you could go to any place on earth, where would it be?
Oh, it's gonna be one of those places, maybe like Maldives or Mauritius, where you have these really pretty huts in the middle of the water and you want to stay there and have romantic date or dinner or something.
I know she wants to go to Greece so bad, and she's that sort of a person who loves the scenic beauty and pretty places where she can get clicked and dressed.
And everything white.
Yes, and everything white precisely. So I think she would. Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, that's right.
What's your favorite color apart from pink?
What's your favorite color apart from pink? Either you wear white or you wear that hospital wala dull blue.
No, I like red a lot, just that I don't wear it too often, but yeah, red. And black and white, so I'll give her white. It's okay. I know her favorite color is black. And
Oh shit, yeah! Apart from pink, yeah, I like black.
she loves black.
Good
and
job, bro.
everything. I know you.
Chal aage chal.
Okay. What's your favorite food?
Ghar ka khana. Yeah, you eat ghar ka khana. Good girl she is.
Yeah, and she likes all things Chinese, sometimes Italian,
Wow.
spaghetti.
Oh wow, you're so
Pancakes
precise.
and waffles and all things fancy. So yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, what's your biggest fear?
You are scared of heights. You're scared of crowd, a lot
Oh,
of
yes.
crowd. Yeah, because I love going to concerts, and I thought, oh yeah, I'm back to Pune. I'm gonna go to concerts with my girl, man. But she's like, no, man, I'm not gonna go. There are a lot of people there, so yeah.
Yeah, bang on. For you, you hate reptiles. I think you just creeped out with them so bad that, yeah. What movies does your friend love the most? Ha! I think we both have that in common.
Horror movies.
Yes, it's yeah, both of us. No?
Yeah, we always watch
Yeah.
horror movies together, and she's always like, Agati, Agati, and I
I
get scratches all over.
I get scared, but I love watching them.
Yeah, and she's gonna be like sitting normally, and suddenly something's gonna happen. I know the ghost is gonna come in. I'm prepared, and she's just like.
So, what's your friend's dream?
Your dream is to drive your own Jaguar.
हाँ.
Can we get पहले Jaguar ले लो. फिर चाहे जितना मर्जी पे यार ले लो.
Okay, yeah. And she wants to go out, she wants to travel the world, but drive herself. So I think that's what she wants to do. She wants to go to different places,
Yeah.
countries, and then drive down from one place to another.
Yeah.
So the next question is that what does your friend admire the most about you?
About me is probably that I'm very positive.
Yes.
I'm always motivating you and yeah, I'm nice.
Yeah, so that. And I think the thing that she likes about me is the way I am with her, like very soft and understanding, and like I'm always like don't do this, don't do that. Let's just
Yeah, basically she's my mom.
yeah. So next one is, if your friend were on a casual day out, what would she wear?
You are gonna wear denims, and you're gonna wear some really casual top with a closed neck, like you normally end up wearing stuff like that.
Yeah.
With your loafers or your flats or.
And she's gonna wear a high waist denim with crop tops, or those long tank tops with, what's it called? A long
Armhole.
yeah, armhole, and then a bralette inside.
Yeah.
And casual sport shoes or sneakers.
Yes.
So does your best friend like loud music or music that's very much at a reasonable level? So
You know, the way Shaur is, she's so soft, she's so polite. She listens to music also like that. She's all nice, soft, Hindi music, old music.
and then she, on the other hand, is all loud with banging house music, or hard rock, some metal music, and either it'll be that or it'll be Punjabi. So you probably need earplugs if you are a person who listens to very soft music to be seated with her in her car.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
Does your friend have nicknames? Yes, man. She has like a lot of nicknames. People call her Bakri, Puchki, Aki.
Yeah, you know
Yeah.
why they call me Bakri in school? Because I could take out like really cool Bakri ka awaz,
Yeah, like?
wait, comes from inside. Wait, huh?
Yeah, like just clear your throat. Yeah. Ah.
I'm concentrating.
Yeah, man. Make Pauline proud.
It's crazy.
Yeah, man. No wonder.
Shaur's name is Shanu.
Yeah. What's your best friend's greatest achievement? Her car, man.
Yay!
She
Yeah.
got it all by herself, and I'm so proud of her, and everybody is. And yeah, man, she buys her own shit.
Yo, man. Why are we talking like this today? Anyways, your greatest achievement is probably. Oh, everybody was super proud of her when she got through Air Force. So, I mean, she would look very petite and like a model and stuff. But yeah, I mean, imagine her being in Air Force. It's crazy. She got through.
Yeah, even I don't know how I got it, but yeah, it happened.
Alia Bhatt in Air Force.
Ah. So, what's your best friend really bad at? She's pathetic at cooking. She cannot cook for her life.
I
She
can
cannot
cook
even cook to save her life. What Maggie? You're gonna live on Maggie for the rest of your life.
Yeah, man, I've been fat and unhealthy, but yeah, probably. Precisely the reason why Pauline is always traveling.
Yeah, so she is pathetic and very bad at cooking.
She is really bad at singing. Not that I'm good, I'm also shitty only, but yeah, probably singing.
Yeah. Next one is your friend afraid of dark?
You probably are afraid of dark because every time we end up watching a scary movie, you're just like, oh, now I'm so scared, I have to go to the washroom.
Yeah, that happens. She's not. I know you're not. You don't.
No.
You're like,
I'm cool.
yeah, she's not scared of darkness. Next one is, what's your friend's favorite show as a child?
Yours was Scooby Dooby Doo. Where are you?
We got some work to do now.
आजा Scooby Doo. कहाँ है तू?
Yeah.
मेरे घर में हिंदी में आता था. Seriously, man, I have no idea why it was in Hindi, but आजा Scooby Doo. What's mine?
Yours is Powerpuff Girls. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it was Powerpuff Girls.
Blossom,
And-
come on round the leader. Bubbles, she has joy and a laughter.
Buttercup. How many children does your best friend want? She doesn't want kids only, huh?
This is so super annoying.
Like,
Like, he knows that. Even he would say the same thing. This is why I got married. We have an understanding. Kids are super annoying for us.
wait, she doesn't want kids only. What shit?
And yeah, she would want a daughter maybe, because she wants to make her all girly and cute and dress her up and make her a pretty little thing.
Yeah. Is your friend a spendthrift or they like to save their money?
This is such an easy question. Every time we go out, she has to spend her money. She loves shopping.
Yeah, and this one on the other hand, okay, I'll give you an example. So we were in Mumbai this time and she's telling me that I want to go to Lokhandwala because I want to shop. I'm like, you sure you want to shop? She's like, yeah man, I want to shop, I want to buy stuff and this and that. I think I'm going to pick up some t-shirts. I'm like, okay, let's go. We went, we spent 4 hours in Lokhandwala, checked out every shop, okay? I ended up spending money and this one came with nothing.
I didn't like
Nothing.
I was just like, why would I spend so much money on things when I could just buy it online? I'm like a very calculative spender. Like, I'm gonna be like, should I get it from here? Probably I'll just get it from somewhere else.
Yeah, and I.
It's like, ooh, I like it, I'm gonna buy it.
Yeah. So the next one is, what is your friend's favorite animal? I think it's like very evident.
Doggy.
Yeah.
Both of us.
Ruff ruff. Does your friend sing in shower? She doesn't.
No, but she does. She loves singing in the shower.
Yeah. I forget what people would be thinking outside. I'm like la 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 la. So yeah, I do that.
I mostly do introspection in the shower.
What you'll be thinking?
Yes.
I think I should start doing this.
Yeah, probably
No.
I did that thing wrong and I should go about it the other way. Yeah, I do introspection.
So weird.
What do you do? Ooh la la, ooh la la.
If I have a hand shot, probably ooh la la, ooh la la. So we're done with all the questions. Yeah.
So yeah, these were all the questions and I think we know each other pretty
Yeah.
well. Yeah.
I mean, I think it'll take tougher questions.
For this, yeah, really complicated questions.
Yeah, like really twisted ones.
But anyway, so happy Friendship's Day, my love. And happy Friendship's Day to
all of you.
All of you are friends and we love you so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe to Pretty Little Things. Bye guys!